We're in the carport at Coastal Farmhouse, and what you see here is an area that used to be just one blank, ugly concrete space that I think cars were parked in. We weren't sure when we got it, and all you really noticed was a lot of garbage cans. So when I saw a space like this, I thought, ooh, what could this be? So let me just share with you a few things that we did to create this cozy space. First of all, with curb appeal, it starts the moment that somebody pulls up in the driveway. We've got sea grapes here, which is really common in Florida, and it welcomes people in along with a matching planter that goes with the trim of our house. I did that on purpose to kind of ground the eye so that it wasn't floating. Next, we paid a lot of attention to how we were going to enclose part of this space, but we are in Florida, so we need air to come through in those warm days and evenings. And so Levi designed this, and he did a great job. He and Justin built this completely. They figured out how to level it, even though there was some variations in the ceiling. And they created this space that gave us the feeling of privacy, even though our neighbors are right on the other side. So I thought, hey, what a better place to bring an outdoor dining table. And we're actually planning to be here during Thanksgiving, and we're gonna have our holiday meal right out here on the carport. Next, I like the conversation area. It's sort of become a standard or a staple of Sweet Tea Hospitality. So I brought the Adirondack chairs here, and I cornered them so that it was a very comfortable conversation space, added a coffee table, some candlelight, some nice pillows to draw you in. And Dave and I actually had our morning coffee here this morning and enjoyed it tremendously. In the back here, we've got a space that would be a perfect place for a couple chairs. So I have the IKEA Adirondack chairs. These are in the same color as the trim. We added a nice decorative clock on the wall. And finally, over on this side, we kept a lamp on the outside, brought in palm trees to add greenery. And what you see here is what people see when they pull up. It just draws them in, and I believe makes people very happy that they booked a vacation rental right here in the Coastal Farmhouse.